Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, to understand our question, the program has accepted the floating point value n, and we have to print the place values of the floating point value of the n. So here we have n as 68.12 in our first case. So first we'll take 68 and then we have a point and then we'll take 12. So when we consider 68, it is 60 plus 8, right? So the 8th is in unit place and 6 is in 10th place. So 6 will be multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. So since it is in 10th place, it is 10 into 1, and we can write this as 6 into 10, which is 60, and we have 8 in unit place. So when it comes to 8, it is just multiplied with 8 into 10 to the power of 0. Anything power 0 is 1, right? So 10 to the power 0 will give us 1. So since it is in unit place, we have this. So 8 into 1, which gives us 8. So we got 60 and then you have 8. So after that we have 12. So when we consider 12, 1 is in first position. So for that we can divide by 10, that is divided by the power of 10 into 1, that is the position. So this will give us 10. So we can write it as 1 by 10, and then for 2 it is in the next position, that is second position. So in such a case 2 will be divided by the power of 10 comma, since in the second position, so we have 2, so 10 to the power 2 is 100. So 2 by 100 is 2 by 100. So we have it here. So this will be our output. Now let's see how to solve this program. So first we have to get the input yes, which is a float value, and we will use split here since it has a decimal point between them, as you can see. So after getting our input yes, we'll print, we'll have a place value as the s of 0 CTR into 10 into, that is power, the length of s of 0, and then minus the CTR minus 1. And we'll be iterating for CTR in range len of yes of 0. So this will be the value which will give us the place value for the each integer. So if we consider 68.59, so here for 68, that is by iterating over the length of s of 0. So first the s of 0 value will be taken, that is 6, and then we have 10 into, that is the power of 10 into CTR minus 1, that is 10 into one, and here the length of s of 0 minus CTR minus 1 will represent two minus 0 minus 1, which is 1. So here we'll have 10 comma 1. So this is how the statement works. So we have 6 into 10 and then we'll have 60. So after this we'll iterate for CTR from 0 to CTR len of s of 1, and in that iteration if the s of 1 CTR is equal to 0, in that case the place value will be appended with 0, and in the else position, so in the else part we'll have the place value dot append. So here the place value will be appended with the s of 1 CTR. So after that the division symbol, and then we'll have str of 10 to the power CTR plus 1. So as you can see, so in this test case we had the division symbol for the integers after the decimal point. So finally we'll print the place value. So this will give us the desired output.